Hey everyone, Craig Crawford here, and boy am I excited to be sharing this here with you guys. Firstly, because this is something new, it's something innovative, it's fresh, and it's something that you will never ever see again because I've personally paid to have this patented just to kind of protect my asset and know that there's not going to be any kind of rip-offs that will be under par. And secondly, it's exciting because I know that this is going to help you guys from all around the world. It speaks various languages, as you're about to find out. So let's begin. I'm going to show you exactly how we can get this onto a web page, probably within 5 to 10 minutes. It could be less, dependent on how much you want to put into it, but I'm just going to kind of roll with it and show you as much as I can. Even if it goes a bit over, at least you get everything in this and you get to see exactly how it works. Now, I've already pre-created 2 test pages just to make you aware. These are the different emotions that we've got in AIWIS. It just kind of added something to the page so you could see something. So there's 2 pages, there's test and there's test 2. So what we do is I'm now going to go to start a project. Just a little look inside here. There's log out. You add a new project here or start a project. Once this has a project in there, this will vanish. That's why you have new project there and new project there, and you have the list of projects. You have forms and templates. Before you do anything, I've already created one, just something really simple for you guys to see. It's basically an opt-in form with the logo, and you can have a countdown as well. The countdown can be for as long as you want, as far as like 1970 we've gone back to there, but it doesn't really matter. This is just an example. So excuse me, oops, skip one. So it currently is the 9th, so let's go to the 10th at 10 a.m. just for an example. Now let's save that. I've already added that just because I've already been playing around in here, making sure that everything works, because ultimately we test to make sure that everything's perfect. So projects, no. Let's go to the site name, AIWIS demo, as you see here. AIWIS.net is the main URL. This is like the mothership. Just imagine it as a mothership. This is a test. Let's make some magic. Okay, then we go to next. Now we need to add the pages. Now this will be test 1. Oops, I don't know how that happened, but / test. And like I say, the test pages are here. So this is the test page, and I have test 2 there. Next. Now we have an exit audio message. I don't want to have an exit pop-up. I just want a first audio. So, hi there. Please enter your name and email to show just how kick-ass AIWIS can be. Okay. We are going to show a demonstration for you to see how. Oh, Mr. Z. Don't know what I'm pressing there. But yes, so now we have this. You have the shortcodes here, but we're going to get onto that. So we have a visitor return message. So this basically, that's an exit pop-up. As you see, there's information along here. So you use this to engage and capture the name and email address. That's the first one. And the second one, when they come back, you can say, hey, name. I hope you are having a lovely day in location. It's currently, oops, I almost put in the time I was in, but it does it for you. So it tells you their name, their location, and their time. I didn't mean to put location, by the way. I meant to put time. You have, I forgot what time I set the countdown timer at, but that was fine. You have, just for an example, 30 minutes till the coupon code on the page expires. Now, bearing in mind, I haven't put a coupon code on the page, but obviously you can do just to show everything. Welcome back. Name. If it's night time in These are just examples, obviously. You can do exactly what you want. It goes up to 1400 characters, so you get quite a long message to be able to send. So let's update those. Now we move on to the next, go to forms. I'm going to use inline form. So this basically means that you have to put this inside wherever you want on the web page for it to show the opt-in form or the button. Now once they've already been there, you can hide it or you can keep it again. You can also hide that email field if you want, if you just want to capture their name. So let's select a form. I've already made this one. And then I'm going to have it exactly the same or leave it just like this. So modal forms is just a pop-up, as you see, pop-up forms. Opt-in forms will pop up in your visitors, sorry. Yes. So now we have the different, I misspelled that. I can go back, but you can see that it's just an example anyway. Let's go to next. So now we can choose wherever we desire. So we can have top left, bottom right. We can also select male or female, voice and languages. I'm just going to scroll down. Justin will do. This is a test for the future AIWIS. I'm not just going to play quickly and then turn the sound down because it will give you feedback.
This is a test for the future AIWIS users and to showcase how cool my voice is.
Okay, so I'll turn it down and press play now just in case you didn't get that.
This is a test for the future AIWIS users and to showcase how cool my voice is.
Okay, so we can have it, that was on the exit, so I'm going to have it on the bottom right, female. I've got that. I can put hey there. I can edit them as much as I like, as much as I want through all of these to customize them. Let's go to next. Configure autoresponder. I'm going to select AWeber. If you go to your autoresponders in settings, you can add it in. Next, then you get this code. You copy it. I'm going to go to edit page here in the first test. I did do test as the link if I remember. This is in WordPress, it will go wherever. So there's custom code, you just go to edit here. As you can see, there's a script. So like I said, I've done this before. Insert, save and continue. Okay, so we've done one now. Now if you want them to come over to another page just to wow them even more, when you go to your your forms and templates, sorry, here when I click on it, I wanted it to go to test 2. So I've already done that and set that up. I go back to projects. Oops. I go to list. I then go to edit this. Next. I go to add another page because obviously we're going to test 2 now. Add new page. Test page. Oops. 2. It was done there. / test 2. Let's make sure that link up here is test 2. I'm going to go to edit page there anyway. Move that across just so we separate them. So we have AIWIS.net / test 2. Next. A name. 5 languages and 45 accents. How cool is that? I am learning and growing as I, yep, I've seen the and being spelt wrong if anyone's just noticed that watching the demo. I'm learning and growing as I information allowing me to send your visitors and customers bespoke different marketing messages upon each and every return. See, because now we've linked 2 pages into the main site, we're kind of onto a winner here. Have a nice day in location and don't or do not forget to smile. Let's update that. Oh, I did it on the exit one. Apologies. I just need to remove this. First audio message. Just leave that blank because I don't want it. That's it. Perfect. See, the same things are in there. Let's go to update. Let's go to next. So I don't want to use an exit form. I want to use an opt-in first form. I'll just go with this again, just to, because you can edit whichever ones you like, and it's quite easy to do. Nothing hard about this at all, which is the good thing about it. Then I go to update. I always update and go to next. And we can test. But what I'm going to do is as well, while I'm here, you've already seen how AIWIS changes and things. You can have it hidden if you want, so just a voice pops up. It's quite cool, right? So let's go to next. I'm not going to save that. I already know. Oh no, hang on it. Sorry, apologies. I do need to choose. Oops, I chose female last time. Shall I go with? I'm going to go with a different voice this time. As you can see, it's female, and there's Spanish. Let's go from the top. US English, Japanese, Turkish, Swedish, Russian, Romanian, Portuguese, Brazilian, Polish, Dutch, Norwegian, Italian, Icelandic, French, Canadian, Spanish, Castilian Spanish, English, US. So there's different ones here, meaning that you can speak to people all around the world. Should we go with a bloke's voice or a man's voice? Let's go to update. Next. See, that's reset now. Let's go to keep it as AWeber. Next. Obviously, we have this here. Control C. Let's go to the live editor. Custom code element. In order to have the form inside the page, remember you have to have this code in here. So if I didn't want it to show anyway, all I'd have to do is remove this code, save and continue. One thing I do need to do is remove, because this tracks by cookies as well, I need to just make sure that I've deleted some cookies. So to remove cookies, all you have to do is scroll down, go to show advanced settings within Google, content settings, all cookies and site data. You type in the cookies that you're on, AIWIS, remove, finished, finished. Now let's get into test here.
Hi there, please enter your name and email to show just how kick-ass AIWIS can be. We're going to show a demonstration for you to see how amazing it works.
So it shows you exactly what we wanted. As you can see in here, the menu's changed to just how it was kind of an example. But before it says stop, replay, welcome, offer. So if I close this, you'll see the welcome come back up. If I want to replay it, which replay could say here or here, this says exit if I remember, this says replay.
Hi there, please enter your name and email.
And stop. And I'll show something very cool in a minute. This says offer usually. I'm going to enter my name and email address, so Craig at ParamountProfits.com. My name is Craig Crawford. Get instant access and watch this.
Hey, Craig Crawford. I speak in 25 languages and 45 accents. How cool is that? I am learning and growing as I collect information, allowing me to send your visitors and customers.
Very cool, right? This kind of opened up in a kind of light boxy. It doesn't have to be an opt-in form. Do you see how the countdown time is here? So you could have a coupon, you can have a video where the logo that I put in is, or you can just literally get them to go to a pre-sale page, whatever you desire. The choice is yours as soon as they hit instant access, or they can close it and then scroll through the site. Also, like I said with the offer, if you close the message, this says welcome. You can close that and then obviously open it back up, or your customers can, or your visitors. Up here it usually says where working is, it says offer usually. It brings it back up. So you can tell them exactly what you want them to do and when you want them to do it. Now let's get even better. Remember we went to test /test before. Listen to this.
Hey Craig Crawford, I hope you are having a lovely day in Harrogate. It's currently 15:11. You have 30 minutes till the coupon code on the page expires.
So it's just said, hey Craig Crawford, and that's the time zone where I am. It's currently 11 minutes past 3, and you have 30 minutes till the coupon code expires. It also says exactly where I am, so it's more bespoke, it's tailored more to me, and it gives it more of that wow factor. So it's literally just told you everything about you, or me, or your visitors, whoever fills it in. Like I say, this doesn't have to be the same thing, but there's a countdown timer. You could have 30 minutes on there. You could have a coupon code. You could have a video saying, hey guys, like you've just heard AIWIS, blah, 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 take action. It depends exactly what you want. You can do exactly what you want with it. And this is the actual menu that shows. I didn't change the last one. So if you see here, replay.
Hey Craig Crawford.
Stop. There's no offer on this one because this one was put into the site, wasn't a pop-up. The welcome brings the message back up and you can exit it. Very, very cool. Now let's refresh again.
Welcome back, Craig Crawford.
So as you see, it doesn't have to be that short. It doesn't have to be this, but I'm just showing you examples.
Is it sunny in Harrogate?
It's very cool, right? So now let's go back to test 2, the page that we actually went from through here, if you remember. Test 2.
Hey, welcome back, Craig Crawford. You can see the massive value in buying AIWIS for your future marketing needs. Being able to convey bespoke marketing messages and calls to actions is highly important. Don't you agree? Take action today and don't forget to smile.
So it's very cool, as you can see, and it's something that you guys know yourselves can use way into the future and will be using. So thank you very much. My name's Craig Crawford, signing out.